Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you unpacking my new iDOO 12 pods indoor hydroponic system. I recently got it for review and wanted you to see what's in the box. The first thing I want to say is that the unit is perfectly packaged. There is foam inside that does a great job of protecting it from damage. Once you open the box, you will immediately see the instruction manual which describes everything in detail. Then comes hydroponic system itself, which consists of two main parts, a bowl and a light hood. In the bowl there is a pump and a window through which you can see the water level. Also at the bottom of the bowl there is a drainage hole with a silicone plug. The light hood is at the same time the controller of the hydroponic system. Here there is a control panel on which there is a button to turn the device on. There is also a button to turn on the pump and fan. By the way, the light hood has a fan for ventilation of the plants, and it is quite a useful feature that is rarely found in hydroponic systems. The other two buttons are used to select the light mode. There are two of them: vegetables and flowers, fruit. Inside the bowl are all the other things. Let's look at what's in there. The first thing we see here are grow sponges. There are 2 bags of 12, so they will last you a long time. Next are the lids that are designed to cover the holes that are not used. There are only 6 covers, which might not be enough in some cases. Next comes the labels to write in the names of the plants. And right after that comes a bag of stickers and humidity domes. In the last bag are the net pots for the plants. There are exactly 12 of them. Next we see a box of food for the plants. It consists of 2 bottles filled with pellets that need to be diluted in water. In the next box there is a power supply that can run on both 110 and 220 volts. And the last thing you will find here is the support on which the light hood is mounted. It has a good adjustment range. That's all. I wish you success in home hydroponics and a generous harvest.